Whether moving 1 ton will get it done, or you're challenged with maneuvering a 100-ton load, rely on the heavy-duty line of powerful American muscle casters. From initial engineering to reconfigured solutions, our full line of low-profile, heavy-duty casters are designed for all industrial applications. You'll find us in the aerospace field and on an automotive line. We are the custom caster experts. Our made-in-America casters can be found moving heavy loads, outperforming in extreme temperatures and intense conditions, and delivering cost-effective solutions for unique manufacturing applications. It's everything you'd expect from pure American muscle. For more information, please contact us at customercentral@casterconcepts.com through an online chat or by calling 1-800-704-1562. Caster Concepts, beyond standard.